Tasmania has three major population centres on its northwest coast. There's Devonport, there's Wynyard, and there's here in Burnie on a pretty windy, blustery sort of day. Now, 20 years ago, you didn't want to stop in Burnie. It was a place you drove through. And the reason for that was because of the industry that was here. There was a place making dioxide paint down the road. There was a paper mill, and the air just smelled bad. It wasn't a nice place at all. However, that's all changed, and it's been change that's been forced on people because of changing world markets, and it's changed because people have wanted change. They've embraced change. These days, Burnie is a city that produces some of the finest food in the world. It has boutique industry doing all sorts of amazing things, and there's a thriving arts community situated here. It's a city that's undergone, and to some extent is still undergoing, a renaissance.
A terrific example of this is what's happening here at the Makers Workshop. Like the name suggests, Makers is home to resident artists working in a variety of disciplines. The whole space is open to the public, and you can look, touch, sample pretty much everything that's going on. This is art in action in its purest form. You can even make your own paper, and given its paper-making history, you may be surprised at the stuff you can put in the pulp.
And then we also do poo paper as well. We've got kangaroo poo, and we also do wombat poo as well.
Now you may remember I mentioned food. Well,
Tracy, this looks wonderful.
It is. It's a wonderful selection of locally made product.
So all of this cheese that we're looking at here
Yes.
is made here in Burnie?
Yes, all of it, out of local milk.
Okay. Tell me what we've got then. What have we got?
Okay, we've got a mild blue here. We've got our Edam,
Yep.
which is a very soft, buttery, mild cheese. We've got our signature camembert, which has won the best camembert in the world.
Stop right there. The best camembert in the world.
The best camembert in the
What,
world.
seriously?
Seriously.
Okay, move on quick because I'm going to try it.
Okay. We've got our heritage signature blue, which is a very soft, creamy blue, but got quite a pungent bite with it.
Okay.
We've got red square, which is a hand-washed product.
Yeah.
Very French. We've got our Gouda and our new Caprice Brie, which is a goat's cow mixture.
Oh, okay.
A camembert.
And the goat's brie here as well?
Yes, they are.
All right, well, the first thing I'm going to do, I'm sorry, I've got to do this. Seriously, this is one of the best camembert in the world?
Twice.
Really? Oh, it's not. I'll just try it.
That looks so good.
Oh, good.
Superb.
So is it fair to say, like, you can only make good wine out of good fruit? Is it fair to say that you can only make cheese?
Out of good milk, good high quality milk.
Of which there is an abundant supply here in...
Yeah, there is. There's plenty.
Aussie holiday.